What's going on YouTube? It's Dustin from Bulled Up Investors bringing you guys another trading pattern video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the cup and handle pattern. And I'm just going to start off by literally showing you a cup with a handle on it. It's just a teacup, just so you get the idea of what it kind of looks like. So you're going to start off with the stock forming this U shape right here. And then the second part of the pattern is it goes right along this handle here, breaks out through this resistance line, which is going to be the high that was over here, and then it breaks out right here, and this is when you want to buy. And one thing you really want to look for is that this handle right here doesn't drift into the lower section of the cup here. So let's say this handle went all the way down here and then ripped back up. That shows that the stock is a lot weaker than you want it to be. If the buyer or the sellers let it get that low, it's going to be a lot less chance of it breaking out, and if it does, it most likely will be a failed breakout, so it's going to come back up and then just go right back down again. And then another thing you really want to look for in this pattern is volume. So what you want to see is high volume over here in the cup section of the portion, just right here to here. You want to see some pretty high volume, and then once the stock gets into the handle section, you want to look for a little bit of a dry up, so you're going to want to see a pretty heavy decrease in volume, and that just shows you that the stock is under accumulation right now, and there's less sellers than there were before. People are slowly starting to buy it back. And then you want to look for right here when the stock is in its breakout week or day or whatever it may be, you want to see big volume again. So you want to see a dry up of volume in the handle, and then you want to see a huge increase in volume once it actually breaks out. And then just to show you guys what this actually looks like on a stock, I've just got the chart for Avalara here, which I actually took the trade as soon as it broke out. So it starts off right here, and it was already in a uptrend, so that just tells you that the stock's been strong already. So it's in an uptrend, and then it kind of goes into this period of consolidation. And then right here, you start to see the cup kind of shape is forming, hits this resistance line right here, and then the handle part of the pattern starts to form right here. As you notice, the lows right here don't go too low, like they're not going all the way down here and back into that cup section of the pattern. They're staying with this uptrend right here. And then right here, also if you guys look at the volume, as you can see in this cup section right here, it's pretty high volume relatively. And then once you get into this handle right here, you'll notice the volume gets a lot lower than it has been previously. And then right here, you can see it breaks out, pretty big breakout week. And also if you look at the volume, it's above average volume. And the way I like to know that it's a good week for volume is just over here, I've got the volume of the last 10 weeks in TradingView. And as you'll see, this moving average right here is just the past 10 weeks. So if I see that the stock is trading above the average volume of the last 10 weeks, then that's how I like to kind of gauge if it's a good breakout or not. If it's below this 10 moving average line, then it's more likely to be a faulty breakout. So that just minimizes your risks and helps you to make sure that this breakout is going to be real. And so far, this stock has been acting well out of the pattern. Broke out from about $80 and it's sitting at 92 5 weeks later, so that's a great setup. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If it did, always leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see any other patterns or anything, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on them, and have a good day.